What's going on, folks? I want to make this video to show you what you would be doing just in case you was putting in one of your headlights or brake lights, tail lights, something like that inside your vehicle and you accidentally was to touch the bulb itself with your fingers. You don't want to touch the bulbs of your headlights, brake lights, tail lights with your bare hands, because if you do, the greases that's on your hands could get on the bulbs, and if this happens, it's going to cause the life of your bulbs to be a lot shorter than what it should be. So if you was changing out your bulb and you accidentally touched it with your bare hands, this is what you're going to want to do. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab you some alcohol and a clean piece of tissue. Put some alcohol on the tissue itself, and then you want to go ahead and clean off the bulb itself, the glass part of the bulb. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is grab some alcohol, pretty much just some basic rubbing alcohol. That's all you need. And you're going to get you a clean piece of tissue paper. And all you're going to be doing is taking you some alcohol onto the tissue itself. And then you're just going to grab your bulb and just clean it just like that. You're going to want to clean that bulb really good in all the places to where you touched it at. Just go ahead and clean the whole bulb just to be for sure. Also, make sure that when you're cleaning it that you wear the proper gloves this time. You just want to wear you some gloves pretty much that's nice and clean. You don't want to get some gloves that got grease or something like that on them. You want to get some nice clean gloves. And once again, just go ahead and take the alcohol, put it on a piece of clean tissue paper. And you're just going to want to clean off the bulb itself. And by doing that, you'll get the greases that you put onto the bulb off of it when you touch it without having gloves on your fingers, on your hands pretty much. So once again, this is how you would clean your light bulb just in case you was to touch it with your bare hands and got grease on them. Even if you don't see the grease on them, a lot of times your fingers can have basic oil that's inside of it that can transfer to your bulb itself that you may not see, that can then shorten the life of your light bulb. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.